Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials: your account, role, and any admin permissions so actions save correctly. Once you confirm access, enable two-factor authentication to protect exports and integrations. Next, load a small CSV, 3 to 5 sample records, with headers matching the software fields so mapping is predictable. Then, open the dashboard and create a new project using the closest template. This speeds configuration and sets. Now you map your data columns to the system fields and validate 1 or 2 records so imports behave as expected. Once mapping is solid, configure core workflows, define triggers, add any delays, and attach email templates. This ensures actions run automatically. Next, connect integrations by pasting the API key and setting a test webhook so external systems sync. Make sure to run the integration test until the status shows success before proceeding. To finish, run the full import and watch the error log to fix any tagged records. Addressing the first failures prevents cascading problems. Then review user permissions and the audit trail and lock critical fields so changes are deliberate. Make sure backups exist before wide release. If things go wrong, clear the cache, remap the problematic fields, and rerun a small test import. This usually isolates format or mapping issues and gets you back on track quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.